Want to go thrifting?
The first thing that caught my eye was this peach carnival glass. I would only get this for my personal collection. There's really not a lot of money to be made on that. These aluminum canisters sell really good if they're in a set, but I left that one. This is blue milk glass, which I've never found. And it wasn't Fire King, but they wanted $16 a plate, so I left that one. 2 carnival glass pieces. He's had these a while, but I always look at them. This seller always has some pretty vintage Capodimonte porcelain. They had this marked at $30. I looked at it again in hopes that she had marked it down, but she didn't. This was a really sweet angel. They wanted $4, but I left her, even though she's really pretty. And then they had these vintage carolers. They wanted $10 for the set. I thought about it, but in the end, I try to limit myself on Christmas decor. And horses sell really good for me, and I couldn't decide if this was actual wood or resin, so I left that. And this little dog statue I thought about getting. It was only $1.99. This seller's had these tumblers for a while. I really want Rocky and Bullwinkle, but he has them priced at $10, and they are worth $10, but I just can't, make myself pay that much. I was hoping to find them at the thrift. These are from Japan, and I did pick these up at $1.99 a piece. I really like the retro pattern on it. I really like the glaze on this, but I really couldn't tell what it was actually for. And then I did pick up this paper plate holder. The last one I had sold pretty fast. I collect these tea towels from different years, and they were like $3 a piece, so I took those 2 home with me. Now this seller has had these canisters for a while, and every time I look at them, hoping she's marked them down. One of them is $45, and the other one I believe is $35. This is Pretty Temptations, but I really wanted this tablecloth. It was $15, and I'm so tempted to go get it. This is a Pampered Chef gingerbread mold. I will never make a gingerbread house, but they had it priced at $25. These are really cute canisters if your kitchen matches them. My kitchen doesn't. I have looked at these a couple times. Those are the vintage ice cube trays. He wanted $8 a piece. I left them. A cornflower blue hot plate. I would have no use for it. They had this marked a trinket dish, but I don't know. I couldn't decide what it actually was. And I collect these tins, but they had like $12 on it, I believe. I did pick up this Indiana glass sconce cover, and this little angel was so cute. She was only $1, but I left her behind. And then there was a Mr. and Mrs. Claus and a salt and pepper shaker, and they were from China, and I think relatively new, so I left them behind. I did pick up this brooch for $1, and that's it. Thanks for watching.